Hey guys, it's Drew. We are doing some renovations on the rental house here. And I just want to show you, okay, so the tenants did clean the tub. They cleaned it okay. They obviously just used spray and a brush. Well, there was still a bunch of mildew and crud built into the caulk there that obviously spray cleaner didn't work. I'm going to show you a tip right here that will change your life, especially if you're checking out as a tenant and you need that caulk clean. Um, I found this out just recently. I had for years been redoing the caulk after the tenants had not properly cleaned the tubs, things like that. And we usually didn't charge them too much because it is just if they're there more than 2 years, it's just a wear and tear thing. Well, I want to show you how magically this works. So that's before. I haven't put any things there. So what you're going to do is you're going to roll up either some cotton balls or in this case, I just made little pieces of toilet paper, like little wads of toilet paper, and I soaked them in Clorox, literally poured Clorox over them. And guys, the results are unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at this. This is stuff I haven't removed yet. Look how clean that is. Holy moly. So just straight Clorox, 24 hours. You do want to be careful about kind of getting things on the tub base. This tub was coated in a coating that the Clorox didn't do that, but over time, bleach can wear down. But if you just need to get it clean, I got to do it here now that I've seen that it works. Over here we had some. I unfortunately didn't do the before, but it was a lot worse in the corners there. This is amazing, guys. I can't believe how well it worked. All right, guys. Well, this is Drew with Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks with a quick hack on how to get rid of stuck-in mildew on your caulk in the corners. I hope this works for you. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, especially with your cleaning. But this is incredible, guys. Absolutely incredible. Let it sit for 24 hours and just soak that toilet paper in bleach in the corners, and that'll do it. So it'll get rid of stuff like this. And it's unbelievable results, guys. I mean, it looks almost brand new. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Drew with Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks.